In this guide, we're going over how you can find quartz here in Subnautica 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. Now I gotta go ahead and make my way back over to my base. And to do this easier, I'd recommend that you actually have a base set up in order to do this. The main reason for that is because then you can utilize a feature called the scanning station, where essentially you can walk up to this, interact with it, put quartz on here, and it's going to show you all of the nearby areas with quartz all around you within a 300-meter radius. So from here, you can go ahead and find your signal, and if the life pod's over there and we want to make our way towards the life pod, we could just mark that, and as you can see, there's going to be some right over there. It's by far one of the best features in the game, and it's a great tool as well, especially for farming. And if you want to get it early game as well, just check out my video on it. But say you are at the life pod as well, what you can do is also, in the life pod's right over there, kind of where that other base is, simply go ahead and make your way northeast, kind of towards where these rocks are, and you're going to see quartz kind of scattered all over on the ground, just like so. But yeah, that's going to be the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.